Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Ring Pan Tilt mount. So this is the mount only. You have to have a Ring camera. You have to have a Ring plug-in, stick-up cam plug-in. So this is what comes with this kit, and you have to have the Ring camera because you have to have this power supply and the actual camera. The actual camera is going to sit. You're going to plug that in. See how that kind of looks like a battery? You're actually going to plug that in, but you still have to plug this power supply that came with this camera into the bottom base here. So again, we'll go over, this is the pan tilt mount. Here's like a little bracket that you can set this on. You can mount this to the wall, and there's like these little hooks. Put it in there and rotate it. It clicks it into place. You know, you can mount it to the ceiling, mount it upside down, but you have to have that power cable to power it. And it does come with some screws to mount it, and then we got some security screws and some covers. Okay, so let's install it on this. First thing you do, if you have a mount, you're going to remove the mount. So even if the mount was on the bottom of here, you would remove the mount, take this off. You're not going to have a battery in here. It's going to be powered by AC. So here's the actual camera. And that's why they give you these extra covers. So you're going to put the cover here and here. You may not have your cover when you first got this camera. So make sure you cover those two holes. You're going to slide this in, okay? Then you got to, it's a little tricky, but you got to get it to go down. Now you can slide it to the lock position. And you're going to be turning. Okay, now you got to be careful. It does take, you got to really hold that, and now you turn that, and it should go to the lock position. Now you have there's like a seal there. So you can just set this on the table like this. You are going to have to plug it in. You plug it in here now instead of here. So take the cable, plug it in here. And now with the pan tilt installed, it's about 6 inches tall. And that stands out about 3 inches. So we do have security screws that you can put, say you mount it onto this, you could put the security screws through there so no one could take the camera off. And the mount sticks out about 4 inches. To the center is about 2.5. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.